What's going on, guys? We got another taco review for you. We are at Goyita's on West Blue Ridge Drive beside that GT's Express. Little small, nice mom and pop, locally owned taco shop. Forgot to show you the hill spiel. Some al pastor tacos.
Yeah, we got some agua fresca too right here.
Oh yeah, the agua fresca.
It's Jamaica again.
That's it
Right there. We got a special guest. We got Spider-Man again. Say hello, Spider-Man.
Can I say the words? Can I say the words?
Yes.
Hey guys, we're back with another video, and we have my dad and
Brooks.
Brooks.
Thank you.
Today we were doing all kind of videos.
Okay.
And
Thank you. Thank you for the
We
help.
may just have to let him talk and we'll just eat the
but I'm not
tacos.
done with the talking yet.
Oh, we got
I
tacos
need to
de
do all
pastor.
of it. I need to do all the talking.
Do all the talking. Go ahead. What you got?
So we have change your phone. So I guess.
So we're talking about the tacos. We have tacos. What kind of tacos do we have? Pastor.
Pastor.
That's right.
We have the store, and
Now we're gonna try them. Okay.
now you're gonna try them.
Yep. Now they got
Alright,
the
let's get
salsita
into
right
it.
here too. It's gonna be the same kind, aguacate with
Yep,
jalapeno.
it's just cool. But it's cool at time of day. But in the time of day, like sometimes you gotta get some tacos and eat them up.
Pretty good. Getting
Like this, they
La
look like
Esperanza
this.
vibes on the pastor though.
But then the
A
first
little
time,
different, not quite as dry as La Esperanza was.
I was just talking to my mom, and I was not timing yet. And we're not starting the timer yet, but we can't do the timer yet. So see you next time, guys. Have some fun. And just get a subscribe and get a big thumbs up. Now you can talk.
All right, now we can
Thank
talk.
you.
Guys, what you thinking?
I mean, it's way better than Speranza's. I mean,
I just get the Esperanza vibes on the pastor, just the way the meat looks, the taste. It's
at
not,
least it has a little bit more flavor. This
Yeah, it's
one,
not near as
And this
dry.
is time of day.
I wish they would have gave us
Sometimes
double on
Pretty
this
good.
one since it's not homemade tortillas.
It's good.
I mean, it's better than Speranza's.
The sauce is good. It's not quite as spicy as the last one we just did, but still good. You already used it, like, man. Didn't even save me now.
We got back up.
Then we still got some from the other place.
From, what is the other one called?
I don't know if this was right though to add salsa from a different place.
I don't think so, but we had no choice.
Had no choice. They didn't give us enough. They're good tacos.
They ain't bad. They're decent tacos.
It's not
Mind blowing, but
No, it's not the highest quality, but they're definitely, I'd say they're a little better than drunk tacos. They're good tacos. Small, quaint little place,
yeah,
local.
ran by just family owned place. So it's mom and pop
We
spot.
like to support local, so that's what we really try to do.
Yeah, we don't like to hit a lot of chain up. Well, actually, we won't hit any chains up. So
No, you won't see us at no Moe's, Southwest, or
None of them
Chipotle. We're looking for real, authentic street tacos.
I mean, what do you grade it?
At La Esperanza was what, a 6.2?
I did 5.3, I think.
Yeah, I'm gonna go 7.3.
I do a 6.7.
And I would do
Still not
80.
too far apart.
Thank
They'll do 80. Hey,
80 is a big number.
if you need a real good review, call Spider-Man.
Yeah. Spider-Man video.
He'll work for Capri Suns.
And do you like this video? And this gets started, we get a big thumbs up.
Yeah,
Thank you, Spidey. You needed that.
definitely go ahead and subscribe and follow us. We got a lot more taco reviews coming. All right, that's the review. See y'all next time.
Number 2.